Click on the plus icon at the top right of the screen, then choose the payment link option below it. On this page, click on the product or subscription button, and choose the second option, the customer choose what to pay option, and then give a title and description for what you did about the donations. You may also click on the upload button right here to add your logo about your donations, and you can also change the currencies to your liking and set up a suggestion for the amount of donation by doing a check mark on this one. So it's like an amount that you really appreciated, while also setting a limit right here, where you can decide about the minimum and maximum amount of money, and you may also choose the advanced option, where you can do many things about your donation link. The one that I recommend you to change is this payment action. You may change it from pay to donate, and then you are good to go. You may do a preview about your donation link at the payment page, and also after the payment page. And then after you are good with everything, click the create link button right here. Over here is your donation link, and you can copy it by clicking on this page icon. This has the link, and to integrate it with your website, you can copy your Stripe donation link and head it straight to your own website. Right now, I'm gonna use my Wix site editor, but feel free to use your own website editor and try to add the button to your website. If you don't know how to add button to your site, you can always go to the YouTube and search for the keyword how to add button to your website editor, like this one. So I'm gonna try to add the button and link it to my Stripe donation page. So at the website address section over here, you may paste the donation link that you just copied before and click on done button. You can always customize the button to your liking. After that, we may do a preview of the website, and then if we click on the donate button, there you go, it will go straight to your Stripe donation page. The other way around is using the HTML. So on the Stripe right here, click on the buy button option and customize the donate button and the little page around that in this window. You may scroll down and change other things, but when you are good with everything, you may copy the HTML code by clicking on this button, copy code, and start to add the HTML code on your website. Again, you can always search it on YouTube if you don't know how to do it with this keyword right here. And start to add the HTML to your site. Start by adding the new section, and then add the element to make it easy, and search for HTML. Then choose the embed code. After that, click on 2 times on the new element, and you can paste the HTML code from the Stripe that you just copied before, and voila. After a few adjustments, the donate button is ready to go. If you still have any questions, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.